Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to apply circle Mehndi. We will begin by exploring the foundational techniques for crafting stunning circular designs. You will learn about the necessary tools and materials, ensuring you have everything ready before you start. Furthermore, I will guide you through the crucial steps of skin preparation, which is vital for achieving a vibrant and long-lasting stain. Get ready to transform your hands with exquisite Mehndi art. Before you begin, proper preparation is key to a flawless design. First, check your Mehndi cone. It should have a very fine, consistent opening to allow for delicate lines and details. Next, thoroughly wash the area where you plan to apply the Mehndi using soap and water. This removes any dirt or natural oils. Remember, do not apply any lotions, moisturizers, or oils to your skin, as these can hinder the Mehndi's ability to stain effectively. Now, let's create that perfect circle. Begin by placing a small, neat dot right in the center of your desired design area. This dot will serve as your anchor. With a steady hand and consistent pressure, slowly expand this central dot outwards, forming a smooth, even circle. If you are new to this, you can gently trace around a small coin or a bangle to help guide your hand and ensure a perfectly symmetrical shape. Practice makes perfect. Once your central circle is complete, it is time to add beautiful embellishments. You can surround your circle with delicate petals, tiny dots, or elegant swirls to create a more elaborate design. Focus on maintaining symmetry by repeating patterns on opposing sides of the circle for a balanced look. After applying, let the Mehndi dry completely for a minimum of 6 to 8 hours, or even overnight, to achieve a rich, dark, and long-lasting stain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.